Beautiful day ahead of us. Happy Thursday. We're looking outside just a few minutes before 9 o'clock on this Thursday morning. This is our Gwaltney Group camera from Assisi Heights. Not a cloud in the sky. Is a gem of a day. Just a gentle west breeze, and in a few minutes the temperature is going to tick up into the 50s. We're not quite there yet, but not quite to the top of the hour here, but I think we're going to see some 50s here. And by the end of the day, we're talking temperatures in the upper 60s, which would be 3 days in a row with this unimaginably warm weather, and really every day this week has been phenomenal. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today we're talking about incredible warmth and the spell carrying us into the weekend. And yeah, it's really right now you almost forget it's November. I mean, you think of the calendar, wait a minute, Thanksgiving's coming up. It shouldn't be this warm, but nobody's complaining. I don't think anybody's going to complain about this one. It's just phenomenal. We paid our dues though. We had about 2 weeks of 30s, 40s. One of those days. Barely even in the 30s. We had some pretty cold weather and cold high temperatures, and record cold high temperatures for a while. So this was a long time in coming, and it's kind of making up for what we had last month. Anyway, looking at a beautiful day ahead of us. Temperatures on the way to about 68 degrees or so, which is not quite a record. Just shy of that, and that's been the theme of the week. 2 days in a row, we've fallen 1 degree shy of record, and today the record actually a little more attainable, 71 today, because we had a weak cold front go through last night, and we're talking about temperatures around 68, so it's only fitting that we should be with only a couple degrees of that. But you know what, nobody's going to complain. Everybody's going to say, you know what, it doesn't matter if this is a record. If we're 20 degrees above the seasonal average, it's a sunny day. It is phenomenal. A day you could do just about anything imaginable, certainly for November standards. I saw at least 3 people in my neighborhood putting up Christmas decorations yesterday. I'm thinking that's probably the thing to do, or taking down Halloween ones, whatever. It's just such a perfect day for that. And then again, today it looks like here's a day planner. Upper 50s next couple of hours. By lunchtime, 64. 68 the expected high temperature, and almost not a cloud in the sky. Really, I don't think we're going to see a cloud. We had a couple last night. That was with the cold front. You'll see that on the satellite in a minute. But already that's out of here. No evidence of that in sight, except for the west winds that are following that front. And temperatures later today won't be as warm as they were the past couple of days. We're going to settle for upper 60s instead of the 70s. Air pressure rising, 30.12 inches of mercury. Here's downtown Rochester. Blue sky looking southward, 48 in Rochester. It's 50 in Mason City, 48 in Rushford, just a few minutes before 9 o'clock. One front has moved through. See the cold front pushing south and eastward. High pressure comes in behind it, bringing us abundant sunshine today. And it's going to be really sunny for the rest of the week, today and tomorrow. And then the weekend, maybe a couple of clouds, and eventually some changes, maybe a little rain late Sunday, but that's almost 4 days away right now. Future track, here's the sunshine, very light west-northwest wind. Tomorrow, the winds kick around to the south and pick up a little bit by lunchtime and for the afternoon tomorrow, around 20 miles per hour at times. And then getting windier yet as we move along into Saturday. You see that more of a pronounced, more of an apparent wind flow there for the south at times, 25, maybe even 30 miles per hour on Saturday, because of that upcoming storm system with the west. But no evidence of rain on Saturday's day planner, but looking at that as a breezy, warm day. The jet stream showing that big trough coming in, that big intrusion of cold air. Unsettled weather, showers eventually roll in. That'll be for perhaps late Sunday, more than likely, really Monday at this point. And then Tuesday, rain changes to snow. You see that colder air aloft. That's where we begin to see temperatures getting a little bit colder. Cool outlook for the 6 to 10 day outlook. The blue to the west. We're going to be kind of in between the abnormally cold, abnormally warm weather. In other words, right in that more typical range of temperatures. I think upper 30s to low 40s, maybe a couple degrees below the seasonal average a couple times, but still just slightly below average temperatures starting next Tuesday. In the long run, it's going to be pretty chilly, though. Definitely not this for a while. For 68 in Rochester, 70 in Mason City, Albert Lee 68, 66 in Owatonna. Winds northwest right around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear skies, 45 degrees. And tomorrow, 71, breezier and warmer by a couple of degrees. 71 the expected high. Mostly sunny skies. Again, right around 70 for the weekend. Windy over the weekend, especially Sunday. A couple showers. It looks like maybe even after 5 or 6 o'clock. So mainly Sunday evening. 67 the high temperature, but then that's still incredibly warm for this time of the year. Even Monday, a breezy, wet day with periods of rain. 62, that's still warm. Temperature falling through the day on Tuesday. Rain changes to snow. We could see minor coating accumulation by Tuesday evening. We'll keep an eye on that. There is a possibility there. And then by the heart of next week, we're going to have some sunshine. Temperatures in the 30s. Maybe a little more snow by next Thursday night into Friday. That's a week away. We'll keep an eye on that situation. So far, no major systems, though, headed our way at this point. But we will see definitely more winter-like weather or November-like weather for most of next week. So the bottom line here, enjoy the warmth while you have it. It's going to be a great stretch of weather, or continuing to be as such, a great stretch of weather. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow for TGIF.